Hi guys, it's your girl Lydia Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I did this eye look. First, let's do these eyebrows, and then I put concealer. Then last but not least, we're going to do the eye look. So stay tuned and don't go away, alright? That was foundation above the eyebrows, that's why it's matching. And I'm gonna put some concealer. I'm gonna use the Bare Skin Minerals for my concealer on the eye. That's the H&M compact powder. I'm gonna use that to conceal the eye. Yeah. Alright. Just dry that off. Guys, that's the NYX Ultimate palette. I'm gonna use that. What's the name of this palette? The Bright. I'm gonna use this color, right? That over there. I'm gonna dip into that and tap. Oops. And then just go around there. Alright. Just put it there. Let's see what happens next. Yes. Don't want to spoil our foundation, so we're better off going in like that. And need to fill that bit. Nice. Alright guys, with the NYX Ultimate palette, I'm going to go in with that orange over there. Yeah, I'm going to go in with that. Make it fluffy around there. I don't know which one I want in with. Yeah, make it fluffy around there. Okay guys, with the new collection palette, it's called the Eye Uncovered. I'm gonna use the red. It's got a beautiful red over there. It's a shimmer, so I'm gonna use that. That's the reason why I bought that palette, just this red. So I'm gonna just dab it on there until we get results. Alright guys, I'm gonna spray on my brush. I'm gonna use this is the priming water, PS primer water. I'm gonna use that to spray on this brush. Alright, and just make it damp a little bit. So I'd like to not to. I think I went in with 2 sprays. I'm supposed to go in with 1, so I wiped a little bit just to make sure it doesn't rub off what's there already. Just an addition of what's there. That's what we need. And I'm gonna go in with the red again, and I expect it to be faster this time because it's damp. Alright. Going a little bit higher with it. Yeah, I think that high. Just about there. That's right. Almost up there. we're just trying to match these. For the lower lashes, I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. It's the Luscious with Oil Blend. So I'm going to use that to go over the lower lashes. Guys, I first went in with the mascara. I forgot. I was supposed to do this first before the mascara, but we might have to put the mascara again because it's going to get messed up. Right, but I'll see, it might not exactly get messed up, so let's just go. But I just need to take my time and try to be underneath. Yeah, we're trying to be under the eyelashes just to preserve our mascara. If we don't, we'll go back in, okay? That's okay. I'm gonna touch that a little bit like that and just go over it like that. Because both my eyes are closed. Just there. Just give it a little touch.